In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to forward Yahoo Mail to Gmail so that every new email arriving in your Yahoo inbox automatically appears inside your Gmail account. This is extremely useful if you want to manage all your emails from one place, reduce the need to check multiple inboxes, or if you're slowly transitioning from Yahoo Mail to Gmail. The entire process only takes a couple of minutes, and once it's set up, the forwarding works automatically in the background. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Yahoo Mail account. Log in with your Yahoo email address and password if you are not already signed in. Once your inbox loads, look toward the left side of the screen where your folders and options are listed. Next, scroll down slightly and click on the option labeled More. This will expand additional options for managing your Yahoo Mail account. After clicking More, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will open the Yahoo Mail settings page where you can manage your account preferences and connected mailboxes. Inside the settings area, find and click on the section called Mailboxes. This section allows you to connect other email accounts and manage how your email is sent and received. Once you're inside the Mailboxes section, look for the Add option and click on it. This is where you can connect another email account to your Yahoo Mail. After clicking Add, Yahoo will ask you to select an email provider. From the list of available providers, choose Gmail because that is the account where you want your Yahoo emails to be forwarded. Now you'll see a field where you can type the Gmail address that you want to receive your Yahoo emails. Carefully enter your Gmail address and double check that it's correct. Once you've entered the address, click the Next button to continue. A new dialog window will appear asking you to confirm the connection between Yahoo Mail and your Gmail account. Click Continue to proceed. Yahoo may redirect you briefly to Google so you can approve the connection securely. After that, you'll see a few options with checkboxes. These options allow you to choose what features you want to enable, such as syncing mail or managing how messages are handled. Select the options that work best for you. In most cases, keeping the default selections will work perfectly for forwarding emails. Finally, Yahoo will ask you to verify the Gmail account you entered. A verification message may be sent to your Gmail inbox. Simply open Gmail, find the verification email, and confirm the request. Once the verification is complete, your Yahoo Mail will begin forwarding emails to your Gmail account automatically. And that's it. Your Yahoo emails will now appear directly in Gmail, making it much easier to manage everything in one place. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.